Hey, welcome back, guys and gals, all you Hot Wheel lovers out there. We got a new little peg hunt tailgate goodies to show you. Got some from the Dollar Tree and the Target. Let's start off with the Dollar Tree. Got a Honda CB 750 Cafe Racer. Beautiful green color, tan seat. We got a 91 miles to MX-5 Miata. For a little black convertible, red interior from J Imports. And we got a 57 Jeep FC. Nice tan looking truck. Kind of looks like an army truck. And we got a beautiful 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. Good looking black truck. Pretty good detail. Tail lights. Headlights. Good looking truck. And we got a 92 Honda Civic EG. Nice little Honda. Some nice wheels on it. Does have nice headlights. Then we got a Land Rover's Series 2. Land Rover Series 2. Got a surfboard in the back, spare tire on the hood. Pretty sweet. And then last, we got a 23 Ram 1500. It's a sweet looking truck. It's got nice wheels, nice detail, headlights, tail lights. It's a nice truck to collect. It's also a new for 2024. Up next, see what we got at the Target. Got a Roger Dodger from the HW Celebration cars. It's for leap year, February the 29th. Leap year only comes for around every 4 years. That's a pretty nice car to collect. It's a Roger Dodger. Then we got a custom 68 Camaro. Nice red and black. That 68 number on the side. Sweet looking little Camaro. Then we got an 87 Dodge D100. These are pretty cool trucks to me. And we got a little Roadster from the Women's Day. It's another HW Celebration Racer celebrating Women's Day. Little convertible. Another one to go in your collection. And we got a 6OS Fiat 500D Modificato. Guess that's how you say it. This also comes in a Super Treasure Hunt, I believe. More of a gold color. And we got Mad Mike Drift Attack. So I get to be a pretty good track car. Then we got a Ford F-150 Lightning Custom. Got them great big old wheels on it. Pretty red. If you like Ford, this is a nice Ford Lightning to get. And then last, we got a 67 Chevy C10 pickup. Hot Wheels keep drawing. It's a pretty nice truck. Anyway, I appreciate you watching. Check out my other videos at 164 Scale Racing, please. Please like and subscribe. And we'll be back with more. Thanks.